Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, she's outside. Don't hold her head up too high.
I know you don't like it. It's pretty fun.
Hey guys, do you want to see if she'll go? Go on the grass, Jonathan.
Do you want me to go out there?
Just go out on the grass for a little bit. A doggy has to do what a doggy has to do. Oh, Katie girl not happy with the rain.
We're getting battered by tropical storm things.
Okay.
Me, Jonathan, the news reporter, our brother Nicholas, and Katie, the camera dog. We are getting battered by tropical storm things. As you see, it's really pouring down here. Man, how can anyone live in this? We might die. Okay.
Okay, go.
Alright. I am Jonathan, the news reporter, and this is Nicholas, my brother, who's my henchman. This is my beloved dog, Edie, and we are reporting live at Tropical Storm Day. As you can see, it's pouring, and our casting is full of water. Who knows where this water could have been? Anyway, as you see, the storm's brewing up, and the trees are getting saturated, as we are too. And Katie seems to not like the weather. And as you see, it's getting really soaked up here. And she is very eager to get back inside.
Yeah, it's bad. Oh.
This is me, Jonathan, the news reporter, and my brother Nicholas, my assistant, and we are going to tip this bucket live at Tropical Storm Day.
Oh wow. Do you want to put that back up? Jonathan, no, don't let that go on. You put it back up, Johnny.
Come on, put it back up here.
Are you guys wet?
Yeah.
I'm not letting you back in. These are too wet. I'm sorry, you have to stay out there.
Yes, stay out here. Stay down. Tropical Storm Day.
Come on, in you come.
No, mommy, I want to stay out here.
You have to come in. Right. And of course, the dog has got the right idea. Haven't you, Katie?
Aww.
Yeah.
Poor puppy wants to
Puppies don't want to be outside in this weather.
As you see, my dog's water bowl is filled.
You want to take that in now too?
And spoon.
God. He's nuts.